Most skincare shelves are full of flashy packaging. Lots of color, shiny stuff, but honestly, many of them feel more cosmetics than clinical. But when a real dermatologist like Dr. Dobtob starts his real own skincare brand, every detail has to feel different. He wanted packaging that shows his medical expertise, his own signature, and that clean, minimal look people trust. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how I build his brand and packaging. Start with the logo, the brand story, then the packaging, layout, and finally finishing with 3D mockups. Every brand starts with logo. For a doctor, skincare brand, trust is number of thing. And the word doctor already shows it sound professional, and Dobtob is short, easy to say, and unique. Perfect for a brand name. And here we start with a raw sketches. Translating them into digital form to explore structure and flow. The next step is to select a typeface that align with the brand's character. Then refine it through precise kerning and custom adjustments. This process transforms typography into a unique brand asset, clear, modern, and built to leave a lasting impression. We offer many options, and this is the final. But a logo alone is not enough. We also needed a story. Dr. Dobtob is dermatologist developed, so we use his personal signature as a mark on every product. That signature shows his brand is backed by real medical expertise, not just marketing. It's his seal of trust. Next step, packaging, layout, and dielines. On the dieline stage, we start with the basics measurement, length, width, and height. From there, the dieline built with panels, glue flap, track flap, bleed, creasing line, and trimming areas to ensure accuracy in production. And soon I will be presenting a masterclass where you will learn how to create your own dieline from ground up, guiding you to design any kind of box dieline with confidence. This is the blueprint of box. On the front, logo, product name, short description, and neat content, simple as clear. On the sides, ingredients, direction, portion. Those details aren't just legal stuff, they shows honesty and transparency. At the bottom, barcode and batch number, expiry, neat and professional. And the one small touch added, an outline of the product on the box so people can quickly recognize it on the shelf. We use the same system for the series, face lotion, face wash, face cream, and others. Everything looks like part of one family. Then comes the style, the look and feel. We kept it and clinical with a soft silk white background, setting the tone for a calm and professional design. The typography is black, adds contrast and confidence. Product name is turned bold and easy to spot, while the smaller details remain clear and precise. The balance is calmness. The left side panel introduces a gentle touch of powder blue, bringing freshness and modern edge. All of these choices work together, creating packaging that feels premium, professional, and reliable. Flat design are good for checking layout, but 3D rendering really brings it to life. In Blender, I model its product, applied the packaging design and played with the lighting to see how it would look in real life. On shelf or lifestyle photos. Those renders not only help the client imagine that final product, they are also great for marketing and presentation as well. And that's how you build Dr. Dobtob, a skincare brand created a dermatologist, designed from logo to packaging. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more packaging design like this, let me know in the comment and don't forget to subscribe. This journey is just getting started.